Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. When working with biometric devices, you may encounter an error related to null parameters. This typically indicates that some expected input values are not being provided to the device, leading to a failure in its operation. Below is a comprehensive tutorial that explains the issue, its causes, and potential solutions, along with a code example to illustrate how to handle such errors. Understanding the null parameter error in biometric devices. What is a null parameter error? A null parameter error occurs when a function or method receives an unexpected null value for one of its parameters. In the context of biometric devices, this could happen if the data required for authentication or identification, like a fingerprint image, user ID, etc., is not provided correctly. Common causes. 1. Incomplete data. The application does not provide all necessary parameters to the biometric device. 2. Initialization issues. The biometric device or API might not be initialized properly. 3. State management. The device may be in an incorrect state, example not ready to process input. 4. Null checks. Lack of proper null checks in the code. Steps to resolve null parameter errors. 1. Ensure data completeness. Verify that all required data is being collected and passed to the biometric device. 2. Initialize the device. Make sure the biometric device is initialized correctly before attempting to use it. 3. Check device status. Before performing operations, check if the device is ready to accept input. 4. Implement null checks. Incorporate checks in your code to handle potential null values gracefully. Code example. Below is a sample code snippet in Python using a hypothetical biometric library. This example demonstrates how to handle situations that might lead to a null parameter error. Explanation of the code. 1. Class definition. A biometric device class simulates a biometric device. 2. Initialization. The initialize method sets up the device. 3. Error handling. The authenticate method checks if the device is initialized and if the required parameters are not null. 4. Main function. The main function initializes the device and attempts to authenticate a user, showcasing how to handle null parameters gracefully. Conclusion. Handling null parameters in biometric device interactions is crucial for robust application design. By ensuring that all necessary data is collected, properly initializing devices, and implementing thorough error handling, you can avoid runtime errors and provide a better user experience.